What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson right here doing a quick video because we got a Zoom for FastBNB at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on today, 2/9/22. Just let you know that still kicking butt, still taking names, still around, big boy in the business, just paying out like crazy. I don't know if you caught my other video. You can see we went up to 10 BNB in my last video, and we're still getting paid. So at this point now, I think I did it last night sometime. So right now, I think I'm making about well, this would actually tell me what I would be making. So 10 BNB is what I have invested, and this number is based off of only what I have invested. We started with 3 BNB, we withdrew 30, got 10 invested. I'm trying to tell you, people, team is growing 30. I told you this number right here is going to start taking over that number right there. It might mess me up when it comes time for the contest, but hey, it is what it is. Because it's supposed to be 60-40, but hey, we still getting paid. So, I mean, you can't really complain. But the total BNB that's coming throughout the team, we should be good on all these levels. Now, this right here is going to be iffy. I'm not too sure how it's going to work. We'll find out in 6 days or 7 days or whatever time frame they do it after. But we know it ends on the 15th of February, which is still the 14th our time, because Dubai is like India. There's like, I don't know. I can't remember. I know it's like the 11, 13 hours ahead of us. I can't remember. But whatever time frame it is, more than ours. That's when it's going to actually be over. So when it hits that day. But like I said, still kicking butt, still taking names. I'm not going to do any withdrawals or anything because I'm looking for something else to do. Because these things are just paying out, people. Now what you do is you flush it, wash, and repeat. This is the legal way of moving money back and forth. So you find something else that you can invest in that's going to be around for a while. Now this one I definitely know we got years and years to come. This is going to make billionaires. Some people say millionaires. I say billionaires because there are people with like my upline. I mean, shoot, he didn't already probably make close to 500,000 to $1 million off of this already. So if that's what he's already made, man, I mean, and you talking about years, yeah, yes. So if you can hit that Zoom, hopefully this video will be posted before the Zoom. If it doesn't, I don't know. But actually, like you say, this is the Lambo. Lambo is getting busy, getting busy, getting busy. We have the GWagon still kicking butt, taking names. Like I said, I like the way it set it up that every time you open a new account. So we just did a new, we had 2.6 we started with, then we opened up to 5, then we opened up to 7, then we opened up to 3. I think it was yesterday. So now you can see this is about, shoot, what's that? If you put the math, 1.1, well, that's a 3 and a 6 and a 3. So just say 1.1 and some change right there. This is 9, 6, 9, 19. That's 1 BNB. So that's 2 BNB. And then we have the available rewards within the referrals. So only thing I didn't collect this yet is because when you collect it, goes straight to the wallet. And BNB is doing an excellent job itself, kicking butt, taking names, $422.48. Let's go ahead and refresh this. I think it's a live site. Okay, it's 420. $2. It is kicking butt and taking names. So it's on its way. Hopefully it's on its way back to the 6s. Ooh, this is a good time to, yeah. 425, 420. Yeah. So maybe if I'm going to make some power moves, it'll be a good time. But I don't want to do anything because I'm about to jump. I'm gonna jump on the Zoom like 15 minutes early. Don't play around. Because that joint fill up like that. You snap your finger, there's 500 to 1,000 people already sitting on there. Yeah, I'm not playing, wasting no time. I like to be there so I can get the info for myself. Also, so hey, beautiful people, kicking butt, taking names. Well, I will share with you our Tronbyte. Remember, I'm the first person, and we're growing. We're growing. These numbers are growing like crazy. It's funny how them 3 people turned 13 and told 19. And it's coming down, but I am out. Anybody on the 16th level, God bless you. Bless everybody that is still enjoying them from this level on down. Bless it, bless it, bless it. And this is going to keep on growing that way, and then that way, then that way, that way. So what I will do, I'll do the Tron with you guys. Because all I'm doing with the Tron is just withdrawal and putting it back. So we'll do a withdrawal. And it's going to be, yeah, sign. It usually costs about 100. I didn't even look at that one. I probably should have, because it looked like it was more than 100 just to do this withdrawal. But then we come back to the Tron link. We want to always keep 100 Tron in the inside here. So we'll just wait for it. Okay. 1,967 Tron. It's worth more than $6, but $136. So I'm set. So we want to put back in. It's going to cost about 100 trying to move this. So we want to put back in 1767. All right, so we'll do 1767. Avocado farming. We do the big dog 3%. It's going to be 100. Yep, 100 trying to do it. So sign in successfully, deposit it. We should be at 20 something thousand down here for ourselves. Yep, 22,000. Just deposit another 1,700 Tron. Make sure that number is updated. Yep, 2209, 21. Total available, we already made 0.56 Tron. There's a little bit of time just waiting for 0.63, 0.65, and it's just growing faster. The team is growing. The referrals are kicking in. Tron is only 6 cents. Actually, Tron is about to be 7 cent, people. Let me go back here. Yes, Tron is about to be 7 cent. 6.69. So that's a penny more we're getting for our Tron. I'm talking about when you get into the thousands and thousands and thousands of Tron, it actually makes sense. So, hey, letting you know, Lambo still kicking butt, taking names. Boom. GWagon kicking butt, taking names. Boom. Ferrari kicking butt, taking names. Almost at 1 Tron. Boom, 1 Tron. There we go. It's made 6 cents, and it's moving rapid as we keep investing in the Tron. So it looks like we got our Tron up to about 100, maybe about $100 a day now. I don't know. We'll have to see. I have to do the math. Just looking at what I be seeing when every time I come in. So that was like 167, and I know I didn't do it 24 hours ago. Yeah, that's pretty much it, people. This is the things that we're into. Do your homework. If you like it, let's go. If you don't, it's other things you can do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not pulling nobody's leg to do anything. And one thing I do like about the Tron link, boys, every time you do something, it gives you a notification that you just moved. Come on now. It's funny, you can't see the word, but you see that beautiful queen face. But anyway, Tron link sends you a notification. I wonder if it's something I got to look at in Metamask to see how to get mine from Metamask when I do my notifications. If there is even a notification that it comes from Metamask. If it is, I definitely want to make sure I got it. Let's see. February 5th. Yeah, I'm not gonna play with my account details on the video, but yeah, that's pretty much it, people. All right, still kicking butt, taking names. My last 3. We just did a video on the Bentley, so you go back and check that out. And then I just did a video on the Lambo, GWagon, and Ferrari. Remember the Maserati? Didn't make it. Wasn't a rug pull. The people panicked and pulled their money. It is what it is. But the GWagon is kicking butt and taking names, man. Every time I remember the first time I showed you was 500,000 in the contract. Look at that. That's more than double. So the money is there to pay the people out. The liquidity is there. You got to have money for liquidity. You can't just make up liquidity. It comes with dough being in there. So the dough is there, and we kicking butt. We taking names. So like, subscribe, rock that bell, join my team, whichever one. They will all be inside the comments. Just want to say God bless. Let's get busy. Let's get busy. Let's get busy.